Hi, and welcome to Home Cooking with Russ. When you need a little snack for the kids, or maybe for the adult kids, keep some of this Nestle's chocolate chip cookie mix in the freezer. When you're ready, you simply I take my toaster oven and I take the tray from my toaster oven. I put a sheet of parchment paper in it just like that. Makes cleanup real easy. I have this one here that I've been using. And I take it and I peel back the plastic just about like that. And then I cut thin slabs, about 1/4 of an inch. Try to be consistent. Whatever your thickness is, try to be consistent because it affects the cooking time. Lay these right out on your parchment paper, just about like that. I take my tray right over to my solar powered toaster oven and I have it on bake. I have it on about, let's call it 375, and down here is the timer. And you have to sort of learn what time works best with your oven. And I know from experience that 1/4 inch thick of my dough will give me around 7 minutes, we'll say. And when that toaster oven goes ding, we'll have some hot, fresh cookies. The cookies, I think, are looking pretty good. We have just a very short time left. Not quite sure. It could go any time now. I'm kind of going to cheat. I'm going to cheat a little peek. They look pretty good to me. I'm going to wait for that to go ding. And we'll pull them out. Ding! There it goes. And my solar powered toaster oven says that we're done. They look good. I'm going to use the nice hot mitt made for me by my mother-in-law, who is an award-winning quilter. And we'll pull these out. Try to leave the rack behind. Move them over to here. Now the key with the parchment paper is that these will just slide right off. Just like that. And we'll put that right back in that toaster oven. Get rid of that. Now there you have 6 wonderful chocolate chip cookies. And they look cooked just about right. And you can adjust your time if you like them just a little darker or a little lighter. And what a wonderful snack on a dreary day.